everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Irene. I hope you're all having an amazing day. In today's video, I wanted to talk about my recent crochet projects. I've started crocheting this spring and I've been addicted to it ever since I started. I loved it. My latest project has been this adorable bandana, and I was just looking for a quick, easy crochet project without really anything in mind, and I found this on Pinterest. I'll be linking it down below. It also has a video tutorial. It's quite beginner friendly if you already made granny squares. I haven't, but I still managed to do it. Anyways, I chose to do it in this creamy cotton yarn. It has quite easy stitches and it just looks really cute. I realized that I actually really needed this because I garden and I have all these hairs that get in my eyes, and I have those Mickey ears from Disneyland. That's the only thing I own that keeps my hair away. The neighbors stare at me weird. Now that I've talked about my latest project, let me talk about my first project. This cutie lily of the valley. These are originally for headphones, but I made them just because. That's just a really cute way of decorating basically anything where you need to... Oh my god, I broke it! It's okay. I also made a second one in pink. I think these could also go on the car mirrors. You know, people hang little toys on their car mirrors. So the next project I did after those was directly a cute amigurumi mushroom boy and his brother. These are from a sewing pattern I got on Etsy. The sewing patterns are incredibly easy to follow. As a beginner who knew nothing about crochet, I still managed to make these. They were so fun to make, and these literally got me hooked on crocheting. Pun intended. And I made them because I will put them on in the garden and give the garden a little whimsical touch. I want to make also crochet mushroom house for them. All of the patterns on this Etsy shop are just adorable critters from the forest. So I have 3 of their patterns. This is the first one I made. Then I made this Rupert the fox, and he has a little vest, so adorable and cute. He has a tail and everything. I made this for my boyfriend, but it's also going to the garden in the same context of adding a little bit of whimsy. My boyfriend's favorite animals are foxes and squirrels, so I made this for him. So these are all my recent crochet projects that I've done since the beginning of spring. I know that this is a quick little video, but I still wanted to share this with you. I really want to know, because I know a lot of you are following me for the sewing content, if you're interested in more crochet content, because if so, I would love to continue making these. They are so fun. Let me know in the comment down below if you're interested in that. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye!